Welcome to the wrap up for week 3 of Eng 1010. It's been a good week. We've introduced a new topic, which is the energy balance. And within that topic we looked at 3 particular cases. The first one is systems where we have heating or cooling occurring. This is probably one that you're familiar with before. We use the simple equation mCp delta T. The second one that we looked at was vaporization and condensation. We talked about the standard enthalpy of vaporization or condensation, and we look up that value in tables. The third one, and this is the one that was the subject of today's lecture, Wednesday's lecture, was the energy balance over systems where a chemical reaction is occurring. And we looked at how to calculate that enthalpy change using standard enthalpies of reaction and correcting it for changes at different temperatures. The only 2 other things I wanted to remind you from in this wrap up. The first one is that there is a test coming up. The hand calculation test is coming up on Wednesday, the 22nd of August, and we'll be covering the material from the first 4 hand calculation problem sets. And the other thing I'd like to remind you of is that you need to form yourself into groups of 3 to do the case studies and the practical project for this unit. So if you haven't already done so, please talk to the other people in your hand calculation class or your HISIS class, find yourselves a group of 3 and all go into Moodle and sign up. Hope you have a good weekend. See you next week.